All right. So, as you can see, a lot of it's done already, but I'm gonna continue. Yes. Oh no, Carl, let me take it out of your eye. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Look at me. Okay. You all good?
Yeah.
All right. Where's the broom for that? Isn't there a broom for it?
Try finding yellow stubble?
I don't know where it was. Where'd you leave it?
Maybe over here.
Okay, hold on one sec. Where? In here?
I don't know.
Oh. I think it could be over there. I don't know where you left it exactly.
You might have to wait till it's it's so icy, I don't even think there's any snow very much.
No. There's no other shovel. We don't have another shovel, so I need to use this.
Here, you take this one, give her that one.
Here.
I'll use the steel one that's behind you.
Okay. Let's get Papa the other one.
Okay, put it in your car so we don't do it twice.
All right, so let me turn on the engine.
Not a bad idea. You're gonna have to come in through here first. Put on the heat on full. And by the time the car warms up, and then we'll clean it out. Ready? We want to warm up the car. By the time the car warms up, we'll pull it out, and then we'll be able to clean up around the car. By the way, one more thing, I don't know if you did or not. It wasn't an icy one. Never lock your car when it's an icy street.
Okay.
Because sometimes the key just doesn't work, and you know, no one's stealing your car and it's no car anyway.
I hear that.
I wouldn't waste too much energy with that. Just slowly get. Go get your sister. Nama, go get a yellow, please. Go get a yellow. She's right there. Take her hand and walk. Come on, don't be like that.
Come on, I'll go get her.
Forget it.
Deborah, you want to give me the other? She doesn't like the snow.
What happened to a yellow?
She doesn't like the snow. She doesn't like the snow. Yeah, Nama, keep getting at this. This needs to go also.
Yeah, if you want. I mean, that's how far you want to
I wish we hired somebody.
You wish we hired somebody so we didn't have to do this?
What?
Hey, did you just throw a snowball at me?
Yes. Yeah,
See, this cleanup, this is what I meant. If you want to bother getting the machine out, this kind of cleanup, it's nice to clean up the bottom. It worked nicely with the election. Mama, give me that shovel for a second.
Do I get you? I have a brush. Should I get the brush?
The brush won't even do it. It's too heavy. Listen, we got to get down a little further. It's a lot of snow. Once you warm it up, it comes right in.
Check out how much snow still gotta dig out of. Ah, we're not used to this in New York. Oh, we don't have another shovel?
I'm almost finished.
Daddy, are your hands cold?
Yep.
Mine, they can't move. A lot of people are getting tired.
What?
I'm surprised Papa got to move the car.
Why?
Oh, because it was in the garage.
You could be.
There's a lot of shoveling.
It could be.
Ooh, good one, Papa. Look at Papa. Look what he did.
Oh, wow.
He's really going.
Yeah, he is.
I'm not good. Yeah, everybody. Look at
It is yours.
It is?
Yep. Good job now.
And now I'm going to make a big question mark and do it down here because I need to see. So 8 times equals 100 minus 4 over 5x equals 0. I'm going to add 4/5 to both sides.
Sorry.
And we had 100 over 5.
Look what we got in front of the room.
Did you hear Papa?
No, I didn't hear.
He's using your phone.
Oh, okay.
Good, you multiply that at reciprocal, so it's 5/4 you multiply by. And 4 goes into, well, you could either do 5 times 100 is 500 divided by 4 times.
Now run.
Come on, back over here.
Carry.
Still snowing? Is that just wind? No, it's still snowing. Yay.
Just started.
Is he moving or not? Yep, here he goes.
Yeah.
Girls, get up here.
Mommy, did you see Papa?
No, no, Mommy's in the middle of teaching. What I found.
Can I
That's Mommy's windshield wiper. Put that over there
where should I put it?
on the side.
It's slow.
What do you think? Start the van also, so it clears up like this?
Yeah, I said.
Turning it on, and he's melting.
Still gotta get the layers off.
Yeah, me too. You wanna walk?
Okay, if you want to go inside, you can.
Daddy, are you?
No, Daddy's going to get the keys for Mommy's car.
Daddy!
Yes!
Don't forget this.
Okay, leave it over there. Thank you. Kid shovel's good for the.
Do you have ice melt?
Yeah, I do inside.
Okay, if you need, I have.
Talk about killing my back.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. You gotta use your knees as much as possible. The back that, yeah, and lift with your knees.